This puppet show stays on because of you. We've been dancing with the devil way too long. I know it's fun, but get ready to pay your dues. Oh,
time for the reggae beat. Whoa, whoa, early morning reggae style. Hey, I don't drink coffee, I take tea, my dear. I like my toast done on one side. You can hear it in my accent when I talk. I'm an Englishman in New York. You see me walking down Fifth Avenue, a walking cane here at my side. I take it everywhere I walk. I'm an Englishman in New York. Whoa, I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien, I'm an Englishman in New York. Whoa, I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien, I'm an Englishman in New York. Hey, yo, I wear my colors in my back pocket. My back pocket. I got a big spliff in my hand. In my hand. Hey, and you might notice there's a swag anytime I walk. I'm a Jamaican in New York. Whoa, I'm an alien. I'm a legal alien. I'm a Jamaican in New York. Whoa, I'm an alien. I'm a legal alien. I'm a Jamaican in New York. Talk to them, Mike. Modesty, propriety, hey, can lead to notoriety. Right. And you could end up as the only one. As the only one, Sting, tell them again. And on the sobriety, so rare in this society. A night of candles brighter than the sun. Everybody, let's go. Whoa, whoa. Clap your hands one time. Hey, hey. Whoa, whoa. Let me see you rock it down 2 times. Come. Whoa, whoa. It's the early morning, clap along. Let's go. Whoa. Take it now. Oh. Takes more than combat gear to make a man. Yeah. Takes more than a license for a gun. Yeah. Confront your enemies, avoid them when you can. A gentleman will walk but never run. Yeah. And if you see me walking down the street, hey, a couple ladies by my side, hey, well, you should just know I just my swagger and my style. I'm not Jamaican in New York. Here we go. Whoa, I'm an alien. I'm a legal alien. I'm a Jamaican in New York. Whoa, I'm an alien. I'm a legal alien. I'm an Englishman in New York. Whoa, Not bad for early.
I never sang that song before 8 p.m. Ever.
My. Well, it's a pleasure to be here, guys. And thank you for having me at the Tiny Desk along with my good buddy here, Stingy. And we should do another number?
Let's do Don't Make Me Wait.
All right. Let's do it.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4.
Don't remember waiting for you. Can't wait to give my last name. Jim is the love up on your iChow tower. Stinger, singer. Don't make me wait. Don't make me wait to love, to love, to love. I can't wait now for love you, girl. Don't make me wait. Don't make me wait to love, to love, to love you. It didn't take me long to fall in love with your mind. I don't even mention the way your body's perfectly designed. So fine. And judging from your outlook on life, I know this would be more than just one night. Well, now I'm ready for the next level and you're telling me you need more time. No crime, nothing wrong with waiting a little bit. You know there is more to this than just hitting it. But you only get a love like this once in a lifetime. If this is our chance, I'm missing it. My whole life I never felt like this. Just wanna run with it, I don't wanna fight this. I ain't rushing you to make up your mind. Just wanna put some more quality in our time. Come on, girl, don't make me wait. Don't make me wait to love, to love, to love. I can't wait now for love you, girl. Don't make me wait. Don't make me wait to love, to love, to love you. Talk to him, Stinger.
I don't want you to think I'm rushing you.
No rush, mom, and easy, man.
I know you like to take your time.
Hey,
I'm already sold on the idea of you and I. Show me where I need to sign.
on the dotted line, no way.
'Cause I've been searching for a while, girl, and I know what works for me. All I need to know if this is what you want, girl, 'cause I'm already where I need to be. Don't make me wait.
Don't make me wait. Don't make me wait to love, to love, to love you. I can't wait for hey. Don't make me wait. Don't make me wait to love, to love, to love you. Yo, you don't wanna rush and I don't wanna take my time. I'm putting everything on the line. They said that true love's hard to find. I'm ready now to make you mine. Don't make me wait.